Settings Overview. This video will introduce you to the Settings page of SchoolTRAK and give instructions on how to change any settings. General. In the General tab, you can set district-wide kiosk defaults and set virtual kiosk defaults. You can also adjust the minimum and maximum ID lengths here. License and Authentication. The License and Authentication tab allows you to change the Skyward API information if needed. Email. The Email tab allows you to configure your email server information so SchoolTRAK can send password reset emails and notifications when the Skyward connection is broken. Synchronization. The Synchronization tab controls the flow of information between SchoolTRAK and Skyward. The layout of this page is as follows. This is the SchoolTRAK Core Synchronizer and Skyward status. Hovering over will give more detail as to current status. A blue check means the connection is working. A triangle with an exclamation mark means the connection is down. This is the status of the synchronizer. Hover for more info. Click to change from enabled to disabled. A blue check means enabled and a gray X means disabled. This is the synchronization progress. An hourglass means waiting for next sync, while two arrows in a circle means currently synchronizing. You can start or stop any synchronizer. The stop icon means currently running. Click this to trigger a stop request. The synchronizer will stop at the earliest available time and run the next time it is configured to do so. A play icon means the sync is currently not running. Click this to trigger start manually. This is the name of the synchronizer. Hovering over this field will give a brief description of the synchronizer's function. Last run is the last run date and time. Next run is the next scheduled run date and time. Summary summarizes details of the last run. History can be clicked to view a log of previous runs. Config will allow you to edit the settings of each synchronizer. Many synchronizers will have the following settings. Last run summary, summary of the last run. This cannot be edited. First sync of the day. This denotes the amount of seconds after midnight that the first run will occur. If set for 0, the sync will run at midnight. Frequency. How often the synchronizer will attempt to run. Min resting interval. The amount of time the process waits after completion before it runs again. On fail. This tells the synchronizer what to do on failure. Click the drop-down and select an option. Retry immediately. The synchronizer will attempt to start until it can run. Retry next sync. The synchronizer will run the next time it is scheduled to. Stop syncing. The synchronizer will stop attempting to sync and will need to be manually restarted. The PPK listener listens for PPK or positive attendance devices. Sync student schedule pulls student schedules for however many upcoming days it is configured for. Sync attendance pulls down new attendance from Skyward and pushes new attendance from SchoolTRAK to Skyward. Sync entities pulls all entities from Skyward. The attendance monitor runs a sweep every X seconds to see if all students have an attendance record in the current period. If not, an absence will be assigned automatically once the absent time threshold is hit. Sync school year pulls all school years from Skyward. Sync attendance types pulls all attendance types from Skyward. Sync attendance reasons pulls all attendance reasons from Skyward. Sync attendance terms pulls all attendance terms from Skyward. Sync teachers with sections pulls teacher information as long as they have a section assigned to them. Sync buildings pulls all buildings from Skyward. Sync locations pulls all rooms for each building that has been activated for SchoolTRAK. Sync students pulls all students for the entities that have been enabled with SchoolTRAK. Messages sends messages to Skyward's messaging queue to be distributed out to teachers or students. Attendance tidy cleans up any unknown attendance if an attendance type is assigned later on. Log cleaner periodically deletes older logs from each of the synchronizers. School year end rollover. Once your Skyward database has rolled over to the new school year, you can follow the instructions on this page to roll over the school year in SchoolTRAK. This will require an admin username and password to be entered.